And welcome guys. As usual, if you find this video entertaining and also educative, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like the video, and also the most important part, the part where you should support me, right? You have to subscribe. Please guys, I beg you, right? I beg you guys, subscribe to this channel. And in the video, I'll show you how to export a file from Revit to Autocad. So if you export a file from Revit to Autocad means that you have to do some modifications, some adjustments, right, of the line of the plan, and it's gonna be the plan that you're gonna present to your clients, right? And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do it perfectly, and in the upcoming videos, I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. So if you wanna support me, guys, as I said at the beginning of the video, don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right. So the first thing that you have to do, as usual, just make sure that the file is saved. And how to save it? You have to go on file here. You have to go on file here, right? And then export it. We need to export it in Autocad. Autocad file is DWG, right? Just go on CED format and then pick the first one. Pick DWG, right? So wait a little bit, and here you see that you only trying to modify the 3D view, right? But if you want to modify the level 1, the level 2, you have to change the view according to your preference, right? But I'm gonna export this part AutoCAD, only the 3D view, right? So after this, you have to make sure that you go to next, right? And by pressing next here, yeah, you can change the file name, the prefix, and everything. But for me, I will just change here. I'll say I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna say home 2, right? And then okay, all right. Check your documents file and then just press okay, right? So there's nothing difficult here, right? And after this, all right. After this, you have to open AutoCAD, right? So let me show you how to do it. Okay, guys, let's get it started, right? So this is AutoCAD, right? I open AutoCAD, right? And you can see the version that I'm using is 2021, right? And it's the same thing the same version that I'm using for my Revit. It should be it should be matched, right? 2021, right? If you take AutoCAD for 2021 and also the Revit 2022, it's gonna be perfect and it's gonna work. All right, so you have to use the same version for both software, right? So after this, so we have to open the file from here, from this side here. This is AutoCAD, right? Just press here, open file. Sorry guys, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, here, and we can see all the files that you can open here that has been saved as the AutoCAD format here. So I have all of this. So I'm gonna pick house 2. Do you remember, right? I changed my name to house 2, right? And then I'm gonna press open, right? And then from here, right, you can see this is how my building look like, right? But so my objective of opening my file the objective was to change, first of all, to change the color, also to check the dimension of all of the parameters, all of the members, right? All of the column, the beam, and the wall, and everything, if everything is aligned perfectly, right? So this is the objective for me, right? So I need to draw my design, right? So as you can see here, I'm gonna just remove these X's here. I don't need them. So I will cancel these commands, the hand command here, the rotation. I'm gonna press escape twice. Then I'm gonna select this line. I'll select this. I will delete, right? I will delete. Sorry, I'm gonna press escape again. I will press on this and then delete it. And I'll do the same for the remaining one. I will delete, and also I will do the same, right? On even the indicator also I will do All right, it's kind of lagging. I don't know why, but all right. So I'll do this. I'll also delete this one here. All right. All right, guys. So this is how our building looks like. And if you wanna see how the building looks like, you can just zoom it out, zoom in, and you can see that okay, if I go on front here, if I go on front, oh, I can just press escape twice to cancel the comment. If I go to front here, you can see that everything is aligned perfectly. Like it's symmetrical, everything's symmetrical, right? We can see that the roof support the balcony. Even if it's raining, you're gonna get wet by any water. And if you go on other view here, this for the roof, this is the other part, this is the other part, and yeah, so we don't need any changements because we don't need any change, sorry, because everything's aligned perfectly, right? So I'm gonna go on the view here, the normal view here, and I can change, I can try to what it is to manipulate the color according to my preference, right? So here, let's say I want to change the color of this roof here. I'm gonna just press on it, and you can see from this part here, from this layer, you can press on this, and you have many colors that you can change here. Like you just go on open it, the roof, right? Yeah, and after open it, right? After click on it, you can change the color. I'm gonna pick red because I need my roof to be red, and I'll press OK. So it's changed. You can see one color is changing. It's changing already, right? One part I mixed both color together, so it changed. So you have to make sure that all of the color that all of the member have the same color, right? So yeah, this is how you can change. This is how you can change everything, and I'm gonna change it according to my preference. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show how it looks like, right? So see you at the end of the video. Okay, guys. Before our decoration, right? I want to show something. If you do the same thing for the floor plan, the same export that I use for the 3D view, right? If you do it for the first floor, right? For the level 1, in AutoCAD, it's gonna look like this, right? And this is really important here, right? This part is the plan view, right? And this plan is it shows how your house can be arranged, right? So this is really important. And if you're in AutoCAD, this is the place that you have to make it more beautiful to attract clients, right? So in the next video, I will show how to modify everything here and how to make it look professional, right? And attractive. So this is the end of this video. But as I said, guys, before, if you find this video more entertaining and also educative, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video, and also to support me, subscribe to the channel. All right, so see you in the next one, guys, and thank you for the support. See you.